Hey guys, welcome back. This is Brian from the BTNHD, and yes, part 2 of our VR build. Super excited. I think on the first part we installed our Gigabyte Z170X UD3 motherboard into our Cooler Master HAF 912 series mid tower, and today we are installing this guy, our power supply, or PSU for shortness, right? And so we're installing the Seasonic M12II Bronze Evo Edition, which is actually 620 watts. Pretty awesome. So let's actually get into it. Okay, so I took everything out from the box. So what comes in the box? I did an unboxing for you guys, but I'm gonna do a short one. So this is all the cables. Got a couple of manuals right here. This is very important. It's very important. You gotta keep this around. Don't throw this away because it tells you what connector is what. I put aside the 4 screws that I need. These screws came from the tower, our heavy gauge power cable, and our power supply. And the power supply normally goes at the very bottom. It depends on what tower you get, but for this one, the PCU is gonna go right here in the bottom, okay? So it's really easy to install. First things first, you gotta make sure that you're putting the right end. Now this end right here is where all the cabling is at. These ports are for the cables that you have to insert, and the other end goes inside the motherboard or your CD-ROM drives and your hard drives to give power to. The other part is the switch, okay? So this is a part that goes outside of the tower. So I'm gonna place the tower like this so you guys can get a good view. And all you need to do is, let's take this to the side. I'm gonna hold this. We're gonna take the power supply and we are going to insert it as so, right here. And we're just gonna slide it. Now, next thing that we need to do is go at the back side right here and take these 4 screws and screw it on so it can be nice and secure. So it's time for us to lock this down so it can be nice and secure within our mid tower. So I have my screws right here, so I'm just gonna take one of them. And you have to follow where the slots are at. So for this power supply, there's a slot here, another one over here, and another one over here. So I am going to just insert one of them. Awesome. Cool. That's one. We're going to do the second one. Now, you're probably saying to yourself, how tight should you screw these guys? I would say, like, again, it's just like the motherboard. Until you can't move them again, until you can't move them anymore, stop. Like right now, I can't move it anymore. Stop it. Don't put too much pressure to it, because eventually if your power supply goes out, you need to change it. You don't want to have problems with the screw taking it out. There it goes. And we're going to do the last screw. And that's it, guys. It's pretty secure inside our HAF 912 Cooler Master tower. I'm super excited. Again, we just finished installing the Seasonic M12II series Bronze Evo Edition power supply, which is about 620 watts. I'm super excited. Again, this is us building a VR build under $800. The next video, I'm probably going to attack the CPU part as well as the heat sink. So stay tuned for that, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.